Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Mahin Afsar. My ID number is 1713519161. Department of Software Engineering, Rafat International University. Welcome to my final defense presentation, which is supervised by MD Mr. Khalid bin Badrujaman Biplov, lecturer, senior scale, Department of Software Engineering. My project name is epsychologist.com. My video presentation will cover project summary, our objective, goal, main features, main final outcome, feature work plan. Project summary. Nowadays people are finding the easiest path of everything they need. So in our project, epsychologist is a kind of project of psychological patient and psychological treatment, and that will help a patient to get treatment. In my project we help to find the best solution for my psychological treatment. The project I have completed e-psychologist, which is web-based project. The people of the third world countries are not getting any psychological service or psychological consultancy, even though they have access to basic medical services nowadays. If they are, as a result, they living at the midst of various mental complications including suicide and depression. So I have developed a system which is e-psychologist. By using the system, any people from any place who has a computer or a phone in his hand with internet connection can take psychological treatment and time in this system. There are many sections such as online therapy tutorials. It contains varieties of psychological information. There are 4 types of users in this system, such as doctor, head of doctor, admin, and patient. By using this system, a very helpful connection will be made between the doctors and the patient. By using the system, patients can take appointments, and the doctor can see the appointments request of the patient. Doctor also can post information, therapy, and tutorials in the system. Here doctors and admin will look after all the whole system. Project objective. There are many project objectives. Easy to use the system, reduce patient suffering, all activities done through online, easy trace, story or document, patient satisfaction, doctor and admin separate dashboard, smooth user panel, and many more. The goal of my system: assure psychological medical services for everyone, assure user-friendly service, create a very close connection between the doctors and the patient, assure quality physical information. E-psychologist is an e-doctor site where people can meet up with a psychologist. Here patient can get appointments of the doctors through online or internet and meet up with them. Besides, in the system, the information that is much more psychological. Mainly it is a live communication system between the doctors and the patient. The doctor and the patient in addition, there are many more activities in this system. The patient will take appointments from the doctors. There will an appointment request sent to the doctor. The doctor will see the appointments request and confirm the or decline. Does not matter whether the acceptance and rejection. There will be an email sent to the patient email, which is must give information to send the request. If the doctor approves the request of the patient, then there will be made a very helpful communication service among them. The patient will get opportunity to meet the doctors and through online or offline. If the patient is always from the doctor, cannot meet the doctor live, then the system arrange the video conference between the patient doctor. The doctors can post medical information, therapy tutorials for the patient. The patient will get helped by using this system. There are also this project is designed to provide the physical and medical services of the medicine whom are looking for a quality medical treatments. The purpose of the project is make psychological medical services researchable for the patients. The patients whom living the rural areas can get quality psychological supports by the sitting in their responsive place. Necessarily, psychological details are not always gettable together. The project will help the patient to make their necessary psychological information together at a time from one platform. There are many features of a project: doctor login, admin login, registration, make appointments, approve doctor, approve post, verification, admin verification. The admin will verify all the posts and therapies before posting the the home page. Get prescription, doctor write the prescription, and the patient will get it through online. Get appointment verification through email. That means the patient make a appointment through online and get a verification for appointments through online. That can be help. That is the help. That can help the patient to get easy service. Post information: doctor can post information, post tutorial, post therapy, view post. The patient and user can view post and tutorial therapy in this whole system. Take patient. The doctor can take patient through online or offline. If he take patient through online, he can send a video conference link to the patient, and patient get the link get through online, then and they can get communicated. Or if he take patient through offline, the doctor can see the whole patient illness history, and send a prescription copy to the patient. There is no pen and paper writing system as well we see, and many more system available here. There are three type of stakeholder: doctor, admin, head of doctor, and patient. Admin and head of doctor are the mergeable and the aligned stakeholder of this project. There are many requirements, functional and non-functional. I also mentioned the requirements before. Then there are also the some viewable functional requirement: can create doctor profile, can approve doctor enroll request, can manage profile, can add appointment schedule, can take up patient, can prescribe patient, prescription will send through email, can see all patient history, registration, login, get appointment, and many more. Non-functional requirements are security, accessibility, availability, maintainability, accuracy, etc. I use tools and technologies in this system, and XAMPP, the server-side database, which is used for local server, PHP strong code editor, Windows 10. Basically, we use Windows 10 to operate the system, operating system, PHP programming language, and PHP Laravel 5.8 PHP framework. Though I completed the whole system, but I have completed the whole system 100% according to my project proposal. But I have some future plan for implement this project project for user friendly and make it for user usabilities. Future work plan is implement chat, implement video call, payment system, subscription system, using AI for survey, profile for patient, and many more. I already mentioned that there is also a survey system that patient can enroll the survey and answering some of MCQs and get primarily get his illness through MCQ. That is my survey, but there is no using the AI system. If I implement the AI for survey, the system will return the very fine accuracy. That is the very well system for one-stop service for the patient, psychological patient, and profile for patient, and many more. Outcome of my project is mainly the main focus of this. There are the user landing page, admin home page, doctor home page. Now I am show my user panel or final outcome in my project through live. This is my home page of my project, which is known as user panel. When the user browse to our page, then he see this system. According to this, there are the foundation, home, blog, therapy, tutorials, doctor, and survey. This is also a responsive. Then you can see the mobile view of this project is very nice. And Firstly, we need to make an appointment for this for a patient. Your name, sorry, your email address, human@gmail.com, select doctor, my name BBS. There is also on one schedule for this doctor. Make appointment. Yes, we see the appointment successful. Please check your email for verification. We use email verification system for tracking the objects. Then things, yeah, here the email is arrived. Doctor appointment confirmation is sent through email very easily. So there are also many of functionalities, many of informations, conference, examination, mind game, depression game, etc. We go to blog page. There are posting blogs. We don't any posting a test case. Samely the therapy page, the tutorial, our doctors. The patient can easily find our doctor service with photo and his degree and any other things. And finally, the survey is mainly for patient for getting his primary illness. That means I answering the whole question. And submit. Then the final result is depressed. If their condition match with depression case, that is shows the depressed. If the match with frustration case, this system will show the frustration, etc, etc. Okay, now we will go to the doctor homepage. This is the doctor dashboard. Here is the there are 98 doctors, 1072 patients attended doctor 72 and pending, etc, etc. So firstly we go to the doctor profile management. This is the my profile page, doctor profile page. Then go to the edit profile page, easily edit the all page and photo change, phone number, data, etc. And mainly option is take up the patient who appointment those doctor. This is my name, the doctor is also my name, because this is my name. He can firstly the timing, the setup timing of take up. Firstly he knows from the patient how's his disorder history. Then write his disorder history and write a prescription for medicine, etc, etc. And test case maybe not as like different tests he can he you can send him. And save and send. That means the prescription is saved for the future needed, and send a copy to the patient email. That is arrived. Yes, the email is arrived. Doctor confirmation, Mr. Minor, your prescription has been successfully placed. History, prescription test, all things of medicine name, test name, history are received through email. This is so convenient and so available system for a patient, because he always get a prescription with his hand. Because there we know many time we need buy medicine from pharmacies, but we don't carry prescription. That's why we have to go to home or over the phone. We know the medicine name. The patient can easily get his medicine name over the phone within 1 second. The next step is doctor can add his education, view education, add schedule. Add schedule is the most common and essential part of this project, because doctor can add a schedule. They have selected date for his schedule and selected time for his schedule. Then 30 am to 11:00 am. This is make a one schedule. For save is the schedule is the show here. This schedule will show the patient page, that when the patient can take a patient to go to the take a appointments. And there is a add information option. Add information, that the doctor can add information here, information description, posting date, today, save. Also same thing, add therapy system and add tutorial system, same. The doctor, there are also many more doctor activities here. For time scheduling, I go to admin panel. Here is my admin panel of this project. Firstly, the admin dashboard. And the admin, firstly the admin can also see the doctor request. There is no doctor request, so then there is nothing to show, and also show the current doctors. So admin, he can want to make inactive a doctor from his system. He can click the main inactive and the doctor in the inactive. The request is requested, or admin can want to approve this request. He can approve easily. Okay, approve. Samely, blog request, the doctor, we add a blog for doctor. Admin can review this description, name and posting date. If he accepted, then approve this. So samely, therapies, tutorials, everything is review and approval directive is admin or head of doctor hand. The patient can, or the admin can also see the all upcoming appointments, all new patients, all all histories of patients, etc., etc. Thank you. This is the main this is the main functionality of my project. Hopefully in this defense date I will show the over thing in my project. Assalamu alaikum.